Yep, bafethu sanibonani. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, bafethu. I'm back. Yeah, bafethu, we have to be honest for South Africa as a whole, bafethu. We have to be honest. I know abanye basupport enye team, abanye basupport enye team, but let's be honest, guys. Evidence Makgopa and the Ubando, Lyle Foster, they're only there, bafethu, national team because they played for Orlando Pirates. If you can check, everyone okay wathengiswa i-Pirates manje uyadlala ku-national team. Anyone uLodge ungambaki, uLodge, you know why angadlali ku-national team? It's because uLodge bamthengisile, but it wasn't i-target bemthengisele yona bekungasile i-target abayifunayo. uLodge usuke ku-Pirates because bekusele 6 days i-contract yakhe iphele and bekangafuni ukusayina. Yes. So Evidence Makgopa and Lyle Foster, bafethu, they are not better than Drainers. Danko.